What's up guys, Meredith with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we are checking out the Icon Vehicle Dynamics 1.5-inch Add-A-Leaf kit fitting all 2005 through 2023 Toyota Tacomas. Now an Add-A-Leaf system will be for you if you are in search of some more affordable ways to get some height for the back of your Tacoma without completely swapping out your leaf spring, and this option by Icon will be a quality kit to do it with. Now whether you have a camping setup with a ton of gear up on top of your bed, or you're regularly carrying heavy items, or you're even just doing a bunch of towing with your Tacoma, this set will give you that added height and tension needed to eliminate that sag in the rear and maintain a good ride with your truck. This kit will approximately add 1.5 inches to the rear in most cases, depending on how much load that you already have on the bed, and will add some strength to the springs to help with your ride when you're hauling or towing heavy cargo. Now this will also come with a bit more to it than the average Add-A-Leaf set, with a 3-leaf progressive rate, which will enhance your comfort while giving you that extra height that you need in the rear. Now by adding this kit to your truck, you can successfully level it, accomplishing a good stance for function, but also a solid appearance. Now these will have a heavy-duty construction, being able to withstand those heavy loads and long-term abuse that comes with towing, overlanding, and even just everyday driving. Now these will be made of a tough, thick steel material with quality welds and a black powder coat to resist any rusting on the surface of the leaf over time. This will also come with shackles on the ends, an alignment pin in the center, and new hardware, so you don't have to reuse your factory U-bolts or your current U-bolts. You have the proper length for a trusted fit. Add-A-Leaf kits are much more affordable than full leaf springs, and this one will stay true to that, coming in at about $250. Now most of the time they are also fairly simple and don't come with much, but this one will have some extra bells and whistles to it, if you want to call it that, specifically with the 3-leaf system to ensure that comfort remains when you add that height. Now I think if you want a more inclusive kit but don't want to fully replace your springs, whether you don't want the extra work or you don't want to pay the extra couple bucks, this is going to be a fantastic pick for you. As for install, I would say that this is a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and will take you roughly 2 hours to get the job done with the right tools and setup. So that is going to wrap it up for my review of this Icon Vehicle Dynamics 1.5-inch Add-A-Leaf kit fitting all 2005 through 2023 Toyota Tacomas, and you can find this right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.